You saw the title of this video and then you're like, wait a minute, did this guy just call me stupid? I don't mean that you're stupid. I just mean that your spending habits are stupid. I mean, you can take it however you want to take it. But guys, all I mean is I don't think that it is wise for people to be spending the money that they have using a debit card. Because if you have a credit card and you already have the money that you're going to spend, the easiest and simplest way to do and spend your money is to spend the credit that you have on your credit card and then pay that debt back using your debit card. That's it. This video is done. But no, that's not it. So let's now elaborate more, because I believe that if you already have the money and you just spend the money using your debit card, you are entirely missing on a whole credit card's reward program that allows you to get some benefits back based on your spending. And the thing is, if you're going to spend that money anyway, why not get some reward back? I mean, it just doesn't make sense to me how this would seem like, common sense for everyone, but everyone doesn't think this way. So in this video, what I would do is I will try to provide you ways on how you can get the most out of your money using credit cards and then using your debit cards to pay your credit cards. So you never have to swipe your debit card again, so that debit card can stay clean. All right, we can keep that one clean in your wallet. And at the same time, the only one that it's going to be getting dirty and being swiped all the time is your credit card. So now, don't get me wrong. In this video, any type of credit cards that I'm going to be talking about, I'm not endorsing them, or I don't have any type of sponsorship from them. These are just credit cards and companies that I use myself, that I love, and I think they're great, and those are the ones that I'm going to be talking about in this video. But also at the same time, I'm not here endorsing people to use credit. Listen, credit is good for people that are financially smart, but credit is both good and bad. And the problem with credit is you have to know how to use it. So in this video, everything that I'm going to be talking about and the people that I'm talking to right now, I'm assuming that you guys know how to use credit. I'm assuming that you guys are financially responsible enough to be able to use a credit card and pay that credit card back every single damn month. Okay, we good. So let's get into the video. As I was saying, guys, basically, there are different type of reward programs that you can get using your credit cards. One of the first thing is you can have a cashback credit card. Basically, you use that credit card to pay for any expenses that you do, monthly rents, food, anything that you spend your money on, subscriptions and stuff, all the crap that we spend money on every month. You can use your credit card to pay for all those stuff because you already have that money anyway, because that money is already accounted for in your monthly budget. And so if you're going to spend that money anyway, might as well get some cash back on that cash that you're going to spend. So then one of the first things that you could use here, and there are multiple credit cards around, guys, but one of the ones that I personally use, I love American Express, guys. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not endorsing them. I'm just saying I love American Express. They've treated me really good. So most of my credit cards are all American Express. And so I have an American Express cash magnet card, which is just a simple credit card with no monthly fee or annual fee. And basically, with this American Express cash magnet card, you get about 1.5% cash back. So guys, let's say you spend like $100. If you spend $100 and you basically get 1.5% back off that $100, that means you're basically getting $1.50 back after spending $100. Guys, it is something, and over time, the money builds up, right? And so now with this American Cash Magnet credit card, there are some different perks that you can also have. So for example, and I will put it on the screen, when I actually applied for this card, what I got was basically you have 0 interest for the first 15 months. And at the same time, it also says that if you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months of getting this card, you're going to get $200 cash back. So guys, think about it. You spend $1,000, you get $200 cash back. That means you only spent $800. And guys, that's how this works. And on that $1,000, you also get 1.5% cash back, meaning you're getting $15 in cash back if you spend $1,000 on top of the first $1,000 that you're getting $200 cash back. So let's say you spend $2,000, so you get $200 cash back plus 15. Now you're getting $215 back. Guys, I mean, why would you be using a debit card to spend money when you can get all this type of reward? Guys, listen, it just doesn't make sense to me. And I hope that starting today, you're going to stop using your debit card and you're going to start using a credit card. All right? Am I being really convincing right now? I hope I'm convincing you to change that stupid habit. I'm not calling you stupid. Anyway, so guys, this is one of the first ways that you can actually get the most out of your money if you're going to spend that money anyway. So now, second thing, you can also get different things such as travel rewards. And with travel rewards, there are different types of travel rewards. You can have mileage or points, hotel points, right? And so one of the first things that I want to talk about here is the second credit card that I have is American Express Delta Sky Miles Gold card. Now, with the Delta Sky Miles Gold card, it comes basically this way. The first year, you have a zero introductory annual fee. And then starting the second year, every year, you're going to have to pay $99 as an annual fee. But guys, don't just stop at the $99 and be like, I'm good. There are actually really great perks for paying $99 and getting these mileage back on this credit card. So then now, the first year, when I signed up for this card, what I did was I had this bonus that said if I spent $1,000 within the first 3 months, I was going to get 40,000 miles on my credit card. And that's an easy issue for me. I mean, my monthly rent is way above $1,000. My rent is $2,000. So it was easy for me. All I had to do was just put my rent on there and bam, I got 40,000 miles. And I will show you later on in this video the miles that I currently have right now. So guys, now you get this 40,000 miles, and then there are also other perks that you do. So basically when you have this card, for example, any purchases that you do, let's say at Delta, or purchases that you do at US restaurants and US supermarkets, you get 2x the mileage. So let's say you spend $100, you get 200 miles. That's how it works. And then any other purchases outside of those, you get 1-to-1, 1x. So you spend $100, you get $100. That's how it works. But then there are some other perks of having this card. And these are some of the other perks that I really like because personally, I do tend to travel a lot. And I like Delta because they are convenient, but also not because they're convenient, but also because of these perks. One of the reasons why I decided to go with this card is one, your first checked bag is free. So guys, let's say if you're traveling twice a year, and you have to check in a bag, typically, they charge you like $100, right? So then why not pay the $100 upfront with the card? You get mileage. Basically, you kind of get to travel for free. And then on top of that, you can travel as many times as you want, and you can check in your bag, your first luggage, for free. That is crazy, guys. And on top of that, you actually get main cabin priority. So when the main cabin start boarding in, you get to board in as well. And at the same time, you get to pay for travel miles. And so, there are so many perks that personally, I think there is no reason why you wouldn't want to have this credit card. And so you just use this credit card to make your, daily expenses, monthly expenses, and you get all of these perks back. That is great, guys. So then, now I will also show you on the screen how many miles I have right now. Right now, I have about 45,319 miles. Guys, that is great. And with these miles right now, I can actually travel for free, guys. You want me to show you? You want me to show you? Okay. All right. Let's just say that I want to travel to Miami. Let's say I want to go there for my birthday, right? My birthday is October 1st, so let's say I go there on Friday, September 30th. So let's do Salt Lake City to Miami. Right now, from Salt Lake City to Miami, if I'm only paying with miles, I need about 43,000 miles, which right now I have 45,000 miles, and then plus $12. So guys, I only have to basically pay $12 plus those 43,000 miles that I already have to go to Miami. That is crazy, guys. And you see how you basically get perks for spending the money that you are going to spend anyway, right? So then the next thing is, let's just say like, okay, I want to combine miles and cash. Now what I can do is I can just spend 33,000 miles plus $192. That is still a good deal to me. Plus the 192 miles is going to give me some cash back, because if I pay for this ticket with this card, what's gonna happen is I'm going to get almost 400 miles. So that is, the great perks of using, a credit card to pay for your normal expenses. And then now the last credit card that I'm going to talk about is the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass card. Now with the Hilton American Express Surpass card, what happens here is you get an annual fee of about $95. But then on top of that, like for example right now, and I don't have this credit card right now, this is the next credit card that I'm actually thinking of getting. So basically you can get to stay at a Hilton hotel. And let's say right now it's saying that if you spend $2,000, right? If you sign up for the card right now and you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months, you get 150,000 bonus point, Hilton hotel bonus points, right? And you can use these points to pay for your hotel room, right? And we can basically use these points to pay for a hotel room in Miami, right? If I decide to go there for my birthday, right? And so guys, these are some of the things that you can get, and any money that you're going to be spending after that, you're basically going to be getting some points back. And the way that happens is, for example, any money that you spend using these credit cards at like hotels and resorts, you get that money times 12. So let's say you spend $100, you're getting 1,200 points. And let's say you go out to dine, dining at US restaurants and stuff like that, you get 6x. Grocery stores, you get 6x points. Gas, you get 6s. And then, any other eligible spending, you get 3x for each dollar. So guys, these are great perks that you can get for spending the money that you already have. You spend credit. You pay the debt back with the money that you already have. Let's say you spend $3,000 every month. Like myself right now, my monthly expenses, including rent and everything that I pay for and myself, is somewhere close to $3,000. So if I already have the $3,000 and I have a credit line of $3,000, all I'm gonna do and all I do is I only swipe my credit card, and at the end of the month, I use my debit card to pay my credit cards, and I get points. I get cash backs. I basically get all of these perks. This is what I wanted to pretty much share with you guys today. And I hope that I provided you enough value in this video that will basically prompt you to please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And thanks for tuning in today. And also, I didn't mean to call you stupid. I don't think you're stupid. Sometimes I have to get your attention for you to be able to watch this video. So thank you. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.